You are rich. We are rich. Mayaman ako, mayaman ka, at mayaman tayong lahat. Sounds confusing, right? Allow me to enlighten you on what the word rich means to a student like me. Receiving plenty of love from comforting family and friends. Having a chance to be educated in an inspiring and performing school. And having teachers who support us in our educational journey. With these reasons, truly, we are rich and have plenty of reasons to be grateful. With great pride and appreciation, we extend our gratitude to all of you for gracing today's graduation. To our honored guests, Educational Program Supervisor in Science, Dr. Jemima Escravillo, our guest speaker, Sir John Kelly Palad, our school principal, Ma'am Elisa P. Buwan, Senior High School Assistant Principal, Sir Michael H. Salinas, Head Teacher in High School, Ma'am Eileen C. Dizon, our barangay officials, SPTA officers, teachers, parents, and fellow graduates, good morning. When I was a kid, my mom worked as a sales lady, while my dad was an accountant. I always cry a lot once I hear my dad's motorcycle because I know that they will go to work and I won't see them till evening. But they were someone who always comforted me when my parents go to work. It is my mamu and my mama. They are the ones that will do anything to make me happy. And words will never be enough for me to thank them. The sacrifices that they have made for me to make me smile are brighter than the stars at night. So I wanted to say that thank you very much for your love and unveiling sacrifices. Today, I would like to congratulate each of us for being here today, harvesting the fruits of our sleepless nights, and reviewing our lessons, accomplishing our projects, assignments, practicing our performances, and once again, adapting the modular distance learning in the last quarter of our educational journey. We all surpass this because we are rich. We are rich of people who love and support us. So, allow me to express my gratitude to each of them. To our dear parents, we would like to tell you that we feel rich for giving us enough guidance, support, and being our strength and inspiration, especially when we are struggling in our education. Even with other circumstances. Your constant encouragement has been an example of hope, fueling us to move forward and overcoming the challenges we have faced in our journey in elementary. Mom, Dad, we are always grateful for the love and sacrifices for us. We will be forever proud to be called your child. To my friends who supported me and became my comfort zone when I was stressed out, thank you for making me smile and for being on my side and never left me out. You are indeed treasures to be kept. Especially to my best friend, colleagues, Clarence, and friends. Thank you very much. Allow me to show our gratitude to our teachers who taught us how to be ready in life. Thank you for helping us discover our talents and potentials. Our personality have matured because of your teachings and advices. Truly, you have made that impact to our lives. Your commitment and dedication will leave an enduring legacy in us. We, the batch 2023-2024, would like to express our words of thanks to our beloved school, Northville 15 Integrated School, for helping us discover who we are and what we are capable of doing. Thank you for opening a lot of doors, which provided us opportunities for personal growth, teamwork, and the development of our talents. We are truly fortunate to be part of this supportive school community, where our dreams are encouraged, our talents are nurtured, and our future are shaped. Indeed, you make us feel rich. Above all, my sincere gratitude to our God, for He is the source of all our strength, talents, knowledge, blessings, hope, and accomplishment. Truly, without Him, we are nothing. Indeed, my fellow Northvillians, we are rich, and may this richness ignite our aspiration in the pursuit of high school and even higher education. May we also be a source of richness to others and be a kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. Once again, congratulations and good morning.
To lead the graduate